Adobe Premiere Pro 2022 101, Adobe Premiere Pro 2022 price. Let's dive into the details of Adobe Premiere Pro 2022, including its features, drawbacks, known issues, fixes, pro tips, and alternative options. Adobe Premiere Pro 2022, features and highlights. Advanced video editing. Premiere Pro offers a robust set of tools for professional video editing, including timeline-based editing, multi-camera support, and precise trimming. Creative Cloud integration. Seamlessly collaborate with other Adobe Creative Cloud apps like After Effects, Photoshop, and Audition. Color correction and grading. Fine-tune colors, apply LUTs, and create visually stunning videos. Audio editing. Comprehensive audio tools for mixing, effects, and audio keyframing. Motion graphics and titles. Design and animate titles, lower thirds, and other graphics directly within Premiere Pro. GPU acceleration. Leverage your graphics card for faster rendering and playback. Dynamic link. Easily move between Premiere Pro and After Effects without rendering. Wide format support. Import and edit footage from various cameras and formats. Cons and known issues. 1. Crashes on older macOS versions. Premiere Pro may crash at startup on macOS versions earlier than macOS 13, Ventura. This issue is related to display surface initialization and has been resolved by Apple in macOS 13. 2. NVIDIA driver recommendation. Windows users should download and use NVIDIA drivers, version 531.41 or higher, to avoid crashing issues. 3. Text-based editing delays. Working in sequences with text-based editing can cause temporary unresponsiveness. 4. Essential Graphics Panel thumbnails bug. The Essential Graphics panel may display black thumbnails if the Windows user name contains special characters. 5. ARRI Alexa 35 LOGC4 footage issue. M1-based devices may experience a green shift in preview post-render for ARRI Alexa 35 LOGC4 footage. Fixes and workarounds. Update Premiere Pro. Always use the latest version for better stability and bug fixes. Force quit and restart. If Premiere Pro becomes unresponsive, force quit and restart the application or your computer. Backup and reset preferences. Clearing preferences can resolve some issues. Use NVIDIA drivers. Windows users should update to NVIDIA drivers, version 531.41 or higher. Upgrade Mac OS. Consider upgrading to Mac OS 13, Ventura, or later. Avoid aborting plugin loading. During startup, allow Premiere Pro to load plugins without interruption. Check known issues. Keep an eye on current known issues and their fixes. Pro tips for getting started. 1. Learn keyboard shortcuts. Efficient editing relies on knowing keyboard shortcuts. 2. Master the timeline. Understand tracks, layers, and nesting. 3. Use proxy workflow. Create proxies for smoother editing, especially with high-resolution footage. 4. Organize media. Use bins, labels, and metadata to keep your project tidy. 5. Explore effects and transitions. Experiment with effects and transitions to enhance your video. Alternatives to Adobe Premiere Pro. 1. DaVinci Resolve, a powerful free option with professional-grade features. 2. Final Cut Pro X, Mac-exclusive software known for its intuitive interface. 3. Hit Film Express, a free video editing tool with visual effects capabilities. 4. Sony Vegas Pro, offers a range of features for both beginners and advanced users. Remember that choosing the right video editing software depends on your specific needs, workflow, and budget. Explore these alternatives to find the best fit for your projects.